In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add background up or down in TradingView Pro. First, make sure you are logged into your TradingView account and that you have a chart open. Any market or time frame will work for this, so just pick the chart you normally use for your analysis. Having your usual layout helps you immediately see how this background effect changes the way you read price action. Once your chart is open, move your mouse to the top of the screen and look for the indicators button. This is usually found in the main toolbar above the chart. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This opens the Indicators and Strategies window, which is where you can search for and add any tools you want to overlay on your chart. Inside this window, you'll see a search box at the top. Click directly on that search box so you can start typing. Make sure your cursor is blinking in the field, because if it isn't active, your keyboard input won't show up. Now type background up or down into the search field. As you type, TradingView will automatically start filtering results. You should see an indicator with that exact or very similar name appear in the list below. Take a second to confirm you've selected the right one. When you see it, simply click on it once. TradingView will immediately add it to your chart. At this point, you should notice that your chart background reacts based on market direction. Typically, the background will shift color when price is moving up versus when it is moving down. This visual cue can make it much easier to spot trends and momentum at a glance, especially if you're scanning multiple charts or trading on smaller timeframes. If you want to fine-tune how it looks, hover over the name of the indicator in the chart's indicator list, usually found at the top left or in the settings panel, and open its settings. From there, you can often adjust colors, opacity, or other parameters so the background is strong enough to be noticeable, but not so intense that it distracts you from the candles or bars themselves. To get the most out of this feature, I recommend pairing it with your existing strategy rather than relying on it alone. Use the background as a quick visual filter, green or positive tones to confirm bullish conditions, and red or negative tones to highlight bearish moves, while still basing your entries and exits on your normal signals. If you're not already using the Pro version of TradingView and you want access to more advanced tools and a smoother experience, be sure to check out the affiliate link in the description. It helps support the channel and gives you an upgraded charting environment to work with this background up or down feature. And that is all you need to do to add background up or down in TradingView Pro.